Hey guys, it's Jason. Last week we put on the Cooper STT Pros, and this week we're going to trim up the fenders and the rock sliders so we have no clearance issues. Alright, so I got the driver's side all trimmed up. I'm going to do a test fit here on the tire. I think it went pretty well, but I guess I'll see when I put the tire on and make sure I got everything I wanted to get off and go from there. Alright, so we're all trimmed up. And it looks like when we put this thing back on the ground, I'm going to be exactly where I want it to be. So that went pretty smooth, wasn't too difficult. I'm going to figure out a way to cap the end, since I had to take the plastic cap off the slider, and I'll probably figure that out at home.